welcome to We the People. Where does the balance lie between a universal principle of equality for both men and women and the rituals and customs of tradition? This is a debate that comes up again and again, especially in the context of religious traditions and women. Most recently, there has been a controversy that has sparked a national debate after the famous and the age-old Haji Ali Dargah in Mumbai decreed that while women were welcome to other parts of the spaces in the Dargah, they should not be allowed near the sanctum sanctorum of the Dargah. Should we just see some of the customs that have existed for centuries maybe as benign and harmless and part of a multicultural framework? Or should we, as men and women of 2012, stand up and say that this is no longer acceptable? And if I can start with Farooq Sheikh, if I may. Farooq Sheikh, you are from Mumbai. And interestingly, the Haji Ali Dargah's website has always proclaimed proudly that there are no barriers of caste, creed or religion when it comes to the Dargah. And now suddenly we have this kind of decree. As a Mumbaikar, as a Muslim, as a citizen, what do you think?
I think, have they given us any reason for saying that and decreeing that? They should give us a reason for that. But I have this very odd feeling about when you decree this against either men or women.
Ji.
Do you consult them before you pass the decree? Do they have any women on their trust board? Or have they checked with any informed women, people who have knowledge of this kind of law giving in religious text? I heard a part of a program on this subject, and the person concerned was saying that, because large crowds gather there and we try to protect the women from any kind of discomfort. If that is the reason, then the simplest solution would be allot different time spans or different days for women to go when men are not allowed.
We have actually with us the chairman and the managing trustee of the Haji Ali Dargah joining us from Mumbai. Abdul Sattar Merchant साहब, आप हमारे साथ मुंबई से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. आपने सुना होगा कि काफी झगड़ा हुआ है इस एक फैसले को लेकर कि जो औरतें हैं उनको एक हिस्से पे जो दरगाह के पास हिस्सा है वहां पर नहीं आने की इजाजत दी जा रही. आपने ये क्यों फैसला लिया सतार साहब?
मैडम, हम लोगों ने कोई नई बात नहीं की है. जब से दरगाह बनी है जब से यही पोजीशन है. मर्दों का हाल अलग है और लेडीज का हाल अलग है. हमने किधर भी लेडीज को रोका नहीं है कि वो दरगाह में नहीं आए, दरगाह में चादर नहीं चढ़ाए, दरगाह में नजराना पेश नहीं करे. ये खामखा का किसी ने उड़ा दिया है. हम यही चाहते हैं कि औरत बाइज्जत तरीके से दरगाह में आए और बाइज्जत तरीके से वापस जाए. और जो दरगाह का इस्लाम का जो उसूल है कि भाई औरतों को पर्दे में रहना चाहिए, लेकिन अभी आजकल औरतें नहीं रहती है, तो हमारी तरफ से उनके ऊपर कोई सख्ती पाबंदी नहीं है.
सतार साहब, लेकिन आप क्या क्लैरिफाई कर सकते हैं कि दरगाह में कोई ऐसा हिस्सा है जहां पर आप कह रहे हैं कि औरतों को नहीं आना चाहिए?
दरगाह का जो मेन हॉल है ना, उसमें औरतें नहीं आती है, कब्र के नजदीक नहीं आ सकती है. पहले तो दरगाह पे जाने का एज पर शरिया औरतों को दरगाह पे आना ही नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन आती है. अभी जमाना बदल गया है. बगैर पर्दे के औरतों को, मुस्लिम औरतों को बाहर निकलना भी नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन अभी कुछ बोल नहीं सकते. 15 साल हो गए.
पर सर, जमाने बदल जाते हैं, जमाने बदलते हैं, जमाने के साथ लोग भी बदलते हैं, सोच भी बदलनी चाहिए.
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि माहौल के हिसाब से रहता. अब आज आप रोज पेपर में पढ़िए तो आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि बॉम्बे के अंदर वीमेन सेफ नहीं है. तो फिर हमारा भी फर्ज होता है, बीइंग ए मुस्लिम और बीइंग ए रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन फॉर ए होली प्लेस, वी शुड प्रोटेक्ट देम.
Now, what the Haji Ali Dargah trustee chairman is saying is that nothing has changed. Now, many women who have actually been inside the Dargah says, no, this used to be different.
Absolutely. I think to compare a Sufi shrine to a mosque and the rules prevailing in a mosque is in itself not to know your facts. Sufi shrines are claimed by all communities. All these bhaktas and Sufis did not differentiate between men and women, rich and poor. People of different faiths have been for millennia following them. And I I see this not as tradition. I see this as a new kind of incursion of petrodollar Islam, where unless you are veiled, unless you are this, or, but that's not how.
But
Sufi sons
to be
live their lives.
fair, he's saying he doesn't like it. He would prefer women
he
behind a
said-
hijab. But he's saying, "ठीक है, ज़माना बदल गया,
no,
कोई
but
बात
that's
नहीं."
not the point. He said Bombay is unsafe. Now should women disappear from Bombay also? The point is you make men behave better. You don't say that women will be banished from places, and especially don't do it in the name of tradition.
But
See,
Madhu,
the point I'm
there are
saying is-
other Sufi shrines like Nizamuddin in Delhi also,
Yeah.
where there is not absolutely free access, as I understand it, into the sanctum
See,
sanctorum.
the point I'm making is one kind of, let's say, Lakshman Rekha is traditional. Let's say it's been there and people have kind of worked around it. True.
So if it had existed for years, it would be a different thing. If it was genuinely
No, we would
part of
deal
the
with
tradition.
it differently, and tradition doesn't mean it's set in stone. With
Farooq
them,
Sheikh,
there's
a
way
quick
to-
response,
but
because you
can't-
have heard now from Abdul Sattar Saab,
ये फरमान नहीं पास कर सकते
who is
इसके
saying
चलते।
two things. Sattar Saab कह रहे हैं कि भाई अरसे से ऐसा ही है. But many women are actually contradicting that and saying नहीं हम तो गए हैं वहां तक, and we'll hear from some of
मैं
those.
भी गई हूँ,
आप भी
आज
गए
भी
हैं.
गई हूँ।
What do you make of what he's
Well,
saying?
there are any number of shrines where women have been visiting for centuries.
Yes.
As a matter of fact, the resting place of the Holy Prophet in Medina is a place where women go and pay their respects and they offer their salutations
Yes.
as men go. There might be a specified area where only men go and a specified area where only women go.
India's #1 news app. Just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.